turn 1 into 5. What are you doing over there, son? So I can't say I'm not disappointed, but wives do what they do. So I guess I'm going to take the old coffee table there and try my hand at some rehab. All right, because we don't need another project. Let's see how fast you can do it. Come on, go. Boom, right through, nice. So the kid needs some time to drill some holes, and Daddy doesn't need another project.
I'm trying to drill down.
Yeah, well, you're trying to cut with the drill. How about you just drill a bunch of holes? Let's see.
How to grind that down.
Okay. Not so hard. Not so hard. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. See, that's the problem, dude. You're pushing way too hard, right? That's why it's smoking and burning. Come from another side, and then, get that little bit, and you'll get it. All right, you can do it. Just come from the other side, though. No. Yeah. Oh, all right. You can. Well, why don't you saw it? Why don't you saw it? I don't understand. You gotta angle it, dude. See, you're not there. You're not there yet. Cut that bit off. There you go. Turn it on first. Now you can crack it. Now you can crack it. It's coming. I see it almost falling off right now. Hit it down. Voila. Yeah. Alright, dude. When was the first time you got to use a reciprocating saw? I think I was probably 30. I don't know.
It was yesterday that I saw it.
Yeah? How old are you?
I am 7.
Yeah. Well, you're getting a jump start, dude. Good job.
Before you click away, I just want to say thanks for watching. Part of what I've been working on is a little place in Morlaix, France, right in the French Alps. It's about an hour from Geneva, and it's part of my exit strategy, trying to build that life that I don't need a vacation from. I want to share this with my community. So if the French Alps has ever been on your radar, my subscribers get 15% off. Let me know what you think. I'm genuinely curious on how others find peace in their everyday lives, and how do we get away from the grind that we all too often find ourselves in. Links below. Let me know. As always, stay relaxed, keep on living.